In this video, we will show you how to install Windows 11, the latest version 25H2. You can get the ISO file. We put link on the pinned comments. So just get on the comments if you want the ISO files. Okay, this is the appearance, how the Windows 11 25H2 looks like. We need to install the language and time and currency. Okay, just click next. And for the keyboard, just click next. I would like to install Windows 11. Just agree and click next. Okay, I don't have a product key. We need just to trial. And we are getting a few things ready. Okay, we will wait this process. In here, for ISO, we provide there is have Windows 11 Home and Education and also Pro. For trying, let's just using Home and click next. Okay, in here, just click accept. And you can see the requirements. If you want to install Windows 11 25H2, you can see on the weirdata.com. Okay, we allocate the 50 gigabytes. Okay, just click next. Just click next if we want just to create the partition in once. But if you need to create another partition, just click this. Because this is just 50 gigabytes, let's just click next. Install Windows 11 Home and keep nothing, just click install. Okay, this is the Windows 11 25H2 looks like. Once again, you can get the ISO file if you want to try the Windows 11 25H2. The link on comments, just go to comment sections. Now we need to choose the country or region. Just click yes for United States. The keyboard layout is yes. And we want to skip for the second keyboard layout. I think the Windows 11 25H2 is bigger than 22H2, 23H2 or 24H2. The ISO file is 7 gigabytes. So if you want to try, maybe you will consume much more data here. Okay, for name device, just Win25H2 like this. Just click next. Okay, checking for Windows updates. Maybe takes 1 until 5 minutes. Okay, just you need to click sign in. Let's see in this version of Windows 11 there is have offline or not. Okay, sign in option, find your pin or security key. Let's see using another option, or we must to force to create the Microsoft account. Okay, it cannot, so we need to using Microsoft account. Otherwise, to sign in, okay, just type our email address. We know in Windows 11 the newest versions in 24H2, 22H2 and 23H2, we also cannot using the offline account, and also same with 25H2. Just click OK. Cannot using complexity. This is must 1423. Okay, 1423. This is just for example. Just click OK. Okay, for privacy, location, and data, I will turn off all of this. So it's safer, more data. Okay, you can see we need to click more. We don't need to sign in with our previews. Okay, just set up as new PC here and set up as new PC. And this is the last step. We can install the Windows 11 25H2. After this step, our Windows 11 25H2 is ready to use. And let we see there is new features or just similar into the previous version. Okay, just click skip this. Just click skip. Click skip again. Always have access to your recent browsing data, not no. Okay, click skip for now. We don't need this. Maybe this is annoying. So many ads when we install the Windows 11. Okay, you can see this is the Windows 11 25H2. We will review in the next video, but let's see this version. Give me time to review this version of Windows. Okay. Okay, you can see there. Let's see the systems, and this is the Windows 11 25H2. Oh, where is not there? Okay. Oh, this is okay. This is Windows 11 25H2. Okay, you can download the ISO files, the link on comments. Okay, we will review this version of Windows 11 in the next video. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest information about the technology, especially on Windows and Android and another related technology. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.